AI will soon make it possible for one person to build $1 billion company. That's not me talking. That's Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI. He actually has bets with his tech CEO friends on who will build the first one-person billion-dollar business. But to most people, that sounds completely impossible. The reality is, we're living through a once-in-a-generation shift, where a single person can now build a 6- or 7-figure business with nothing but an internet connection and the right AI tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step framework I'd use to build a solo business from scratch, why 99% of people are approaching AI businesses completely wrong, and the 4 myths holding them back. You will also learn the real case studies of solo entrepreneurs already making great money using simple AI tools. And you'll also discover the specific math behind hitting $1 million. It's easier than you think when you see the numbers. Now, this doesn't mean you'll be able to make $1 million. This is just a number we're considering as a goal to hit. That's it. Look, here's what most people get wrong about building AI businesses, and I'm going to blow your mind with what's actually possible right now. First thing, I need to be technical. This is the biggest lie keeping people broke. AI tools now work with plain English commands. You don't need to code anything. I'm talking about tools like Bolt New, where you can literally say, build me a task management app with user login and payment processing, and it creates the entire thing for you in minutes. The game has completely changed. What used to require a team of developers and months of work, you can now do in an afternoon with the right prompts. We're talking about functional web apps with databases, payment processing, user authentication, all from describing what you want, like you're talking to a friend. And this is only going to get better. Second, I need a huge audience. Wrong. And this is where most people waste years of their life. You need 100 to 1,000 people who trust you, not millions of followers. Let me give you the math that'll change how you think about this forever. If you have 1,000 people who trust you and you sell them a $1,000 product once a year, that's $1 million business. If you have 500 people and sell them a $2,000 service, that's $1 million business. If you have 100 people and sell them a $10,000 solution, that's $1 million business. Most people are chasing vanity metrics, followers, likes, views. But here's what actually matters: trust and relationship. I'd rather have 500 people who open every email I send than 50,000 followers who don't even know who I am. You probably know someone who has a small business, maybe a local service provider who makes great money serving just their local area. They don't have millions of followers. They have a few hundred customers who trust them. That's the model just scaled with AI. And third, I need a revolutionary idea. And this is where people get stuck in analysis paralysis for months. Take existing solutions and make them better with AI. Every business problem has already been solved in some way. Your job isn't to reinvent the wheel, it's to make the wheel better, faster, cheaper with AI. The biggest opportunities are in taking boring existing businesses and making them 10 times better with AI. Scheduling software exists, but what if you made one that uses AI to automatically find the best meeting times based on everyone's productivity patterns? Email marketing exists, but what if you made one that writes personalized emails for each subscriber using AI? I know a guy who took the simple idea of transcribing voice notes and added AI to turn them into structured content. That's Talk Notes, making $5,000 a month with 5,000 users. He didn't invent transcription. He didn't invent note-taking. He just made it better with AI. And fourth, I need investors or funding. You can start with ChatGPT and basic tools with zero investment required, and this is the part that should get you excited. This isn't like starting a restaurant where you need $200,000 for equipment and inventory. ChatGPT costs $20 a month, Zapier costs $20 a month, a domain name costs $12 a year. You can literally start an AI business for less than $100. Compare that to traditional businesses that need tens of thousands just to get started. The beauty of AI businesses is they're mostly software and services. No inventory, no physical products, no huge upfront costs. Your biggest investment is your time and learning. And here's the kicker. Because the barriers to entry are so low, you can test ideas fast and cheap. If something doesn't work, you're out maybe $500, not $50,000. Here's what actually matters. And this is where most people get it backwards. And this is Business 101. Solving real problems for real people, not cool problems, not interesting problems, painful problems that people will pay to solve. Understanding your market better than competitors. Most people in AI are building cool tech. Very few are solving real business problems. I see people spend months planning the perfect AI business, while others are out there building, testing, and making money with imperfect solutions. Now, before I dive into the framework, I need to be clear about something. I'm not guaranteeing you're going to make $1 million or any specific amount of money. These are strategies and examples, but results depend on execution, market conditions, and many factors I can't control. My experience gives me an unfair advantage, and my results are never typical. Be smart, make good decisions, and only invest time and money you can afford. There are only 3 things you need to build $1 million solo business in the AI age. Step 1, pick your business model. You've got multiple paths here, and they all work if you execute properly. Option 1, AI software SaaS product that delivers itself, scales globally, 80-90% profit margins. Use tools like Lovable, Bolt, New, or Repeal at it to build functional web apps with databases, payments, and authentication from single prompts. Option 2. AI Services Agency. Target businesses drowning in repetitive tasks. Lawyers, doctors, real estate agents offer AI automations, voice agents, chatbots. You chase clients, outsource technical work, keep 80% margins. Option 3. Digital products. Create AI prompt libraries, Notion dashboards, mini courses. Price $29 to $297. Created once, sold forever. Option 4. Done for you services, your cash flow engine. Target real estate agents, SaaS businesses, chiropractors, offer AI onboarding agents, lead magnet funnels, content systems, just need results in a PayPal account.
Step 2. Understanding the math behind 1 million. So, let's break down the numbers. 1 million means 83,333 per month or 2,777 per day. This can be split across highs and lows. Option A, AI SaaS product. 111 customers paying 25 per day equals 2,777 daily. You need significant traffic, 4,000 to 5,000 daily visitors. But with AI tools like Lovable, you can build and test product in days, not month. Option B, info product. 80 products at 150 each per day equals 2,700 daily. Need 720 visitors per day at 2.5% conversion rate. Once you created them, they sell while you sleeping. AI helps you create course and guides in days instead of weeks. Option C, AI services. One client at 5,000 every 2 days equals 2,500 daily average. Most realistic for beginners. Business are desperate for AI solution right now. You become the bridge between their problem and AI solution. Here's the reality. The most important thing with AI is not going to be about building a product.
The most important thing is distribution. It's about getting the right visitors to your business. Like the calculation above, you're not going to reach 500 to 700 visitors a day unless you don't have a big brand or haven't done this before. You should start with 10 visitors per day, then 50, then 100, then 500.
Most successful business start small and focus on the traffic source. SEO, social media, paid ads or partnership. And step 3, scale with AI infrastructure. To hit 2,777 per day consistently, you need systems that work without you. Level 1, basic automation. Month 2, 3. Use JPEG and make for simple task automation. Auto, shorts, email, schedule, social media post, collect, lead, goal, buyback 10 to 20 hours per week. Level 2, AI enhancement. Month 3 to 6, add AI processing to automates. Voice to content creation, AI customer response, smart lead sourcing, goal, handle 10 times more customer without hiring. Level 3, agent workforce. Month 6 plus. Use Lendy, custom GPTs, advanced workflows, AI handle sales, calls, manage flow, goal, business runs. You focus on strategy and growth. How is this connected to your revenue? For $150 product, AI create content and manage customer. For 5,000 services, AI qualifies lead and handle discovery call. For $25 subscription, AI provide support and retain users. Here are documented examples for publicly available sources. Those are real business people who build great solo business with AI. Take notes. Solo founder built voice note tool generating 5,000 per month with 5,000 users. Founder Pal AI marketing tool reaching 10,000 per month through one-time payment. Repurpose PI software automating tweak to video conversion achieved 75,000 ARR. Mary Angie Lalama life productivity tool grew to thousands of paying customers as solo founder. Important disclaimer again, those are specific cases, not guaranteed outcomes. Many benefit from being early in AI adaptation. Success required learning, integration and market understanding. But here's what I really want you to understand from all this thing. The pattern is repeating. Early 2000 was website, early 2010s was social media marketing, 2025 is AI implementation. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here and you need to start moving with this AI revolution. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you like this video, like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I do those videos every week. This is Ijohar Pradhan signing off. See you in the next video.